And this is 4K footage. I am at arm's length here with the grip, and it's not that bad. My arm is stretched out as far as it will go. If I was holding more comfortably like I would normally holding a camera, it'd be kind of this angle on my face. Switching to the left hand, I am right-handed. I do have face priority metering on for these clips, so you should try, the camera will try and keep my face highlighted, properly exposed, even as I'm going in between bright sunlight and shade here. That is definitely not working. Battery life does seem to be a concern. I've just been out for a little bit this morning doing some product shots and some photography and a little bit of vlogging with this camera, and I'm already down to 1 bar. So that is a concern. It does do on-the-go charging via micro USB, not USB-C, using an older port, which is a downside for a new camera. And as we can see, it's still struggling to pick up my face for face detection when I'm wearing a mask. And right now, a lot of people are wearing masks. Again, background defocus is on defocus, and here it is on clear, and here it is on defocus again.